Alright, so I'm playing Garfield on called Big Fat Hairy Deal on the CX Spectrum. Now, as a system, I'm not familiar with, so I never played it. So I'm going to give it a go for my Garfield week. This is the 45th anniversary of Garfield. I think we released back in June of 1978. So one is keyboard, right? Do I press enter? What is this? Do I have my keyboard on? I'm just using a Logitech keyboard. Wi-Fi. Okay. Hi, Odie. Did you do something? Move yourself. What did I do? Oh, wait. Oh, I paused it. How did I do that? Oh, spacebar. Wait, no. Oh, D. Okay. How did I turn around? F is pause. F is pause, so spacebar is unpause. I don't even know how to turn around. Oh, he does that anyway. What the heck? W is that? It's like I think. Oh, hello. This is to jump. So, okay. I don't even know how to turn around. What? Okay. Okay, this is to jump again. I just keep going and kind of like Odie. What? What happened? Press kick? Oh, which one is kick? I'm not using the right keyboard. I don't know. Oh, whoa. We define keys? Yes. Fire. Key for what? Up is R? No, let's do up is up. Down is C. Left, right. Pause. Oh, shoot. Okay. Shoot, I need to redefine the keys. I don't even know how I did that. Hey, hello. At least I'm doing something. What happened? Ah. Oh, what is... Oh, okay. What the... I didn't want to do that. Oh, I need to redefine keys. And I'm stuck. Wait, hold on. What happened? Did I give him the newspaper? I need that. Okay, a newspaper. Oh, what the heck is going on? I don't know. I didn't... What? Dude, Odie's following me everywhere. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just... Whoa. I'm just walking across the street... game because I only got up, down, left, right. I'm a Neanderthal. Where's all the buttons? I don't know. Oh, okay. I don't know what happened. How do I go to the... Oh, here we go. 4. Yes. Fire. H. Up. Down. Left. Right. What the heck? Fires. Only have one button. Oh, that is kick. How come I can't jump now? It's game over? Oh, I paused it. I did pause it. Okay. Okay. Why can't I jump? I paused it again. How did I do that? A newspaper. I paused. I thought I... You know what? I'm not gonna figure out this game. I don't know what I'm doing. I just figure out how do we define the keys. Okay. I keep pausing when I'm pressing up. Oh, I cannot pick that, right? Okay, so I cannot go back this way. I don't know. Let's pause now. That's weird. Am I falling asleep? Why is his eyes like that? That's kick. I don't know. I need this to game over. Getting tired? Yeah, I don't know what this is.